everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shinanti and I'm from Kolkata. Basically, I'm a makeup enthusiast and a self-taught makeup artist, and I like to play with new colors, new makeups and create something new and unique. At least I tried to. Now if you're wondering what can you expect from my channel, so basically in this channel, since I'm a makeup content creator, so this channel is all about makeup. You can see a lot of makeup reviews, tutorials, makeup hauls, and maybe some of the lifestyle content as well. I'm not sure about that yet. Now coming to the main point, so by the thumbnail you already know what is this video about. Basically this video is all about sweat-free, summer-friendly makeup which will last you up to 6 hours without cracking or moving your makeup. Of course, I'm going to share some small tricks and hacks that are going to change your entire makeup game. So without a further ado, let's jump onto the tutorial. Alright, now let's start with some skincare, and as a first step I'm going to use a hyaluronic acid serum. You can use a toner or mist, anything that suits your skin type. Now moving on to the next step, which is a moisturizer. I'm using PAC Aqua Blast moisturizer. This is great for oily skin people. Take a generous amount of the moisturizer. Alright, so skincare is done. Now moving on to the makeup. Okay, इसके बाद लगाऊंगी मैं primer, and for that I'm using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. It's like one of the best drugstore. Again, primer को पूरे face पे नहीं लगाना है, only the parts, those parts where you have some open pores. तो प्राइमर सिर्फ उसी एरियाज पे लगाना है जहाँ पे यू हैव सम फाइन लाइंस और सम पोर्स, क्योंकि पूरे फेस में नहीं लगाना है. मैं सिर्फ टी जोन में प्राइमर यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुझे सिर्फ ओपन पोर्स और फाइन लाइंस है. आई थिंक ऑयली स्किन वालों का यही प्रॉब्लम है कि ये टी जोन बहुत जल्दी बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाता है ड्यूरिंग द समर. तो प्राइमर इज़ द ओनली वे, लाइक पोर मिनिमाइजिंग प्राइमर इज़ द ओनली वे टू कोप अप विद दैट. Alright, primer is done. Now you have to wait at least for 30 seconds to 1 minute before applying the next step. Alright, इसके बाद लगाएंगे powder. Yes, don't be scared, क्योंकि ये एक small trick है. ये आपके मेकअप को और भी ज़्यादा sweat proof and long lasting बनाएगा, and your makeup will not feel oily just right after like you are done with your makeup, you know. But of course, always use a translucent powder. And powder को बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है. Just do this and then always try to concentrate on those parts where you sweat a lot और जहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा oil secretion होता है, especially T-zone areas again. That's it. Alright, now moving on to the next step, which is a concealer. Yes, I'm not going to use any foundation today because honestly I'm not a foundation person, and itne garmi mein you don't need to use a foundation. Trust me, foundation will make your face look more cakey and heavy, which we don't want. So basically you can use any concealer that you have. You don't have to necessarily use these two concealers only. By the way, for the concealer I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and the next is Sugar concealer. I don't know what it's called. This is Magic Wand concealer. I'm going to mention all the shades and product links in the description box below, so you make sure if you want to, you can check them. By the way, we will only apply concealer on those areas where we have certain problems like discoloration, acne marks or like that. पूरे फेस में नहीं लगाएंगे. That's it. And Sugar के concealer में use कर, it's a little bit highlighting concealer, like just a one shade lighter than my skin. Just a single drop. That's it. So if you're wondering why I didn't put anything on my nose, because क्योंकि ऑयली स्किन का यही प्रॉब्लम है कि सबसे ज़्यादा ऑयल सिक्रिएशन नोज से ही होता है, एंड वहाँ पे हाई चांसेस है कि आपका मेकअप फट सकता है. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ एनीथिंग ऑन माई नोज. जो भी रेसिड्यू इस स्पंज में होगा मैं बस उससे ब्लेंड कर दूँगी टू गिव इट ए इवन बेस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ ब्लेंडिंग. Alright, blending done. Now जो भी बचा है इस स्पॉन्ज में, मैं उससे बाकी के जो फेस है जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ भी नहीं यूज़ किया है उसको ब्लेंड कर दूँगी ताकि एक इवन टोन आ जाए. Done. You can see it looks flawless already. So the next step is a blusher, and for the blush I'm going to use this Benetint. It's a lovely tint and one of my most favorite tint. Alright, this is a tricky part क्योंकि ये बहुत जल्दी स्टेन करता है स्किन पे, so you have to little bit fast when you are blending. like लगाते ही ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज बहुत गंदा वाला स्टेन हो जाता है फेस पे. I'm going to build it up a little more because I'm a blush person and contour के बिना भी मैं चल जाऊँगी, लेकिन without blush I just can't. So a little bit on the cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face with the same powder. By the way, I'm going to set the entire face, okay? So if you have a dry skin, you just don't need to set the entire face, only T-zone will work or under the eye. Okay, so next I'm going to use bronzer, and for that I'm using this Kiko Milano bronzer. So this is one of my favorite bronzer, but unfortunately शायद ये अभी मिलता नहीं है, मे बी अभी के लिए unavailable है, I'm not sure. So that is the saddest part. And this is such a great color, but it's only meant for the light medium to medium skin people. And you know, the worst part is this is the darkest shade they have, and I don't know why. Let's contour. For my nose, I'm taking a small brush. Now I'm using some powder blush, and for that I'm using Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush. बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, so you have to be really careful with this. This part is totally optional. If you're happy with the tint, then you just skip this part. Since I'm a blush person, I always use 2 blusher. That's totally your choice. Okay, so next I'm going to set my base. This is the most, not most, like this is one of the most important step. And for that I'm using this NYX Matte Finish Fini Matte Setting Spray. It's a great one. If you are oily skin, go for this one. Okay, मैं ऐसे directly spray नहीं करूँगी. So I'm going to again spray this on my blender. And then press it. इससे क्या होता है कि इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है, एक ही जगह पे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ता है. सो नाउ गो एंड डैप. This way your makeup will instantly melt and just started looking like your skin. It's a great hack. So if you haven't tried it yet, go and try this now. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my brows. Not draw, like I have a pretty thick brows, so I'm just only going to like use a mascara. This one is from NYX का tinted brow mascara. Like बहुत अच्छा है. And if you have a thick eyebrows like me, just go for this one and you are sorted. So eyebrows done. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. But उससे पहले because this video is all about the summer friendly base, so I'm going to I have already explained all the steps for the base makeup, but मैं eye makeup इस video में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. बहुत ही simple है जो मैं this is my go to eye makeup basically, so I'm going to do that. उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ steps है नहीं to explain, but don't worry, I'm going to link all the eye makeup details in the description box below so that you guys can check that out. So now moving on to the eye makeup. So I'm going to quickly do my eye makeup. I'm using this palette. By the way, मैंने यहाँ पे एक matte brown eyeshadow लगा है all over my eyelid, and वही brush के साथ वही eyeshadow में lower lash में भी लगाऊंगी. So now I'm going to apply a wing liner, like Foxy wing liner. I'm using the darkest brown shade from the palette. You guys can use anything, like a normal pen liner or normal liner would also work. liner is done. Next step is mascara, and for that I'm using Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. Before that I'm going to curl my lashes. Mascara literally can change the game. So the next thing is highlighter, and for that I'm using cult favorite Becca Champagne Pop. By the way, here is a trick. I'm not going to use a brush. If you're a highlighter person and अगर highlighter लगाते ही बहुत ज़्यादा pores and fine lines visible हो जाते हैं, skin texture visible हो जाते हैं basically, and बहुत unnatural दिखता है, so this hack is for you. क्या करना है, सिंपली जो ब्लेंडर हमने पहले यूज़ किया उसको लेके जस्ट टेक सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट एंड देन ओनली डैब द हाई पॉइंट्स ऑफ योर फेस. पूरे फेस में नहीं लगाना है, वरना जो डायमेंशन दिखता है ना वो नहीं दिखेगा. लाइक यू कैन नॉट लुक लाइक अ डिस्को बॉल एंड नो वन वांट्स दैट. सो जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन द हाई पॉइंट्स. इन दिस वे ना ही आपका पोज ज़्यादा विजिबल होगा और ना ही थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा केकी लगेगा. इट विल गिव यू द ब्यूटिफुल विद इन सॉर्ट ऑफ ग्लो. लगेगा ही नहीं कि यू आर अप्लाइंग अ हाईलाइटर बाहर से. लाइक अप्लाई द हाईलाइटर ऑल द यूजुअल प्लेसेस. Just look at the glow. This is the full face matte makeup, but yet it looks so dewy and like this is the perfect, I guess this is the perfect dewy makeup for oily skin people out there. Let's finishing off with the setting spray. I'm using the same setting spray, but this time I'm going to spray. Okay. I just forget to apply some highlighter on my inner corners, so I'll quickly do that. Again, this is a very optional. I like to highlight my inner corners. That's alright. So the last step is lipstick, and for the lipstick, I'm going to use these two shades. This one is Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight, and this one is Earth Rhythm. This is Airy Very Lip Mousse. Alright. This is a beautiful shade, but I think for my outfit today it's look more brown. I wanted a pink nude, pinkish nude. So I'm just going to add this Benetton on just the center of my lips. Now it's perfect. This is my final look, and I really hope that you like this video. And if you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon right there so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. And please let me know in the comment section below if you have any suggestion regarding this video, and if you have specific content ideas that you guys want to see in my channel, then please feel free to comment and let me know, and I'll try my best to do that for you guys. Till then, I love you.